Let's talk about the Journeyman Millwright certification and why it's such an important step for tradespeople across the United States. If you're building a career in machinery installation, maintenance, or troubleshooting, getting your journeyman status can open more doors than you might expect. Here's the thing. A lot of skilled workers already have the hands-on experience, but they aren't always sure how the exam works or what the journey looks like. So today, I'm breaking it down in a simple, supportive way that fits your real-world schedule. The Journeyman Millwright certification is recognized nationally, which means once you earn it, you'll have the flexibility to work in different states without restarting your licensing process. This is especially helpful if you move for better opportunities, want higher pay, or work in industries where travel is part of the job. Your pathway starts with meeting your state's required training hours. This usually includes classroom learning plus supervised on-the-job experience. Once you meet these requirements, you'll apply to take the exam. Now let's talk about what the exam looks like. Most states use a format of 100 to 150 multiple-choice questions, and you'll have 3.5 to 4 hours to complete it. You might see questions like aligning shafts, reading schematics, diagnosing vibration issues, or calculating loads and tolerances. Topics often include rigging, hydraulics, mechanical systems, lubrication, bearings, drives, conveyors, and safety procedures. These questions are based on national occupational standards, which outline what a fully qualified millwright is expected to know. Studying for the exam usually takes 3 to 6 months, even for experienced workers. Break down the material into sections like tools, safety, mechanical systems, electrical basics, preventive maintenance, and math. Don't try to study everything at once. Set up short sessions you can manage after work or on weekends. A lot of people feel nervous when getting ready for their exam. If you haven't studied in a while, you're definitely not alone. Many journeyman candidates are mature learners returning to the trade. Some are newcomers to the United States who are learning a new certification system. Others have been working for years but want better job security or higher pay. Wherever you are, you belong here. Real job site experience is one of your biggest strengths. Think about the times you aligned a motor, repaired a pump, or corrected a system failure. Those real-world tasks often show up in exam scenarios. Connecting your hands-on experience to what you're studying makes everything easier. If you want structured support, there are tools that can help. At journeymanstudyguide.com, you'll find Q&A books, explanation-style resources, and online timed practice tests that feel similar to the real exam. These don't guarantee a pass, but they can make your study time more effective, especially if you haven't taken a test in years. Everything is available as instant downloads, so you can review them on your phone or tablet during breaks. Once you earn your Journeyman Millwright certification, your opportunities grow fast. Many millwrights move into roles like foreperson, supervisor, inspector, safety officer, or equipment specialist. Others use the certification to start small businesses, work as trainers, or join companies that offer premium pay and better benefits. The credential also gives you career stability when the economy shifts or job markets tighten. So take this as your encouragement to keep going. Build a simple study plan. Use tools that match your learning style. Trust your skills and stay consistent. And when you're ready for extra help, check out the supportive resources at journeymanstudyguide.com. You've already done the hard work. Now it's about taking the next step with confidence.